1, 2, 3. Uno, dos, tres. Un, deux, trois. What? Hey, I'll apply for visa for this year. Cancel it. Year go next year. Them time that will wear off little bit because una not get it this year. 1, 2, 3. God know. Spelling, spearing. What name? The USA brother. All them a come and talk about. Yeah, this is my time. This is my time. My time for the war. Come third, and not even that I can. Not even that I can do. Oh, maybe I did personal base him did that talk about. Theme time, forget him personal base. I think so. But him in the Olympics long time from morning good and make weird come beat him out. Him serious. Me not complain still. 1, 2, 3, who is it at now? No, guys, this is a proud moment. Teary eyes. The whole of Africa coming like China New Year's time. No space. And everybody have the excitement that I wave them flag and I say Ray. Cause I always said that. But oh my god guys, 1, 2, 3. Jamaica men 200 meters will come first, second and third. Bolt and Johan me did that kind of expect it. But the way brother, him come up. Him come up man. Him come up. Round of applause for him. Him come up. Where you shot. You think I shot. And you make have bragging rights to say yo 1, 2, 3. Cause the girl them are going like say them want to come beat me, you know. But I have faith in our team. Girls, don't let me down. I have faith in our no. Them girl like all the big body one. What's she name again? The short girl. Let me what's she name? She come at hype cause she win heats today. Flash my hair. She win eats today, she come at hype. But I go rub it down the face now. We don't win eats, we win the final. We don't win eats, we win the final. 1, 2, 3. Better recognize. Recognize. Snap, recognize. But no this to Americans and everything. But it's just that, let me tell you why we're so happy. Cause normally, at Olympics time, the American them hype you see it. And them go like say, them hold everything and them run everything. And it don't go so. It don't go so. Cause you have other countries out there where do good. It don't go so. So you must humble yourself. You see when you don't humble yourself, what more? You see when you don't humble yourself, what more? But we humble separate women. I know about both still. But not really in the humble thing. Him rub everything in your face. Him don't really in the humble thing. But at least him deliver you see me. 1, 2, 3 people, I'm proud. Congratulations to Bull, Blake and Ware. Sell off. 1, 2, 3. Congrats. We say duh. And we're just all like an island and look how we dominate the Olympics. Oh God, USA do better now. Somebody pass them a medal. Sponsor them a medal. No, them have enough already because enough people live in USA. But I will look at some people live in Jamaica and we are dominate same way. Better recognize 1, 2, 3. Know that.
Life as a coconut berry with wings.